How can women address a lack of sexual desire in a relationship? What are the differences between sex and gender? Hello to all lovers of psychology and sexuality. Today, we will unveil the sexual curiosities of women. If you are interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell to not miss our future videos. Also, leave us comments and share your experiences in the section below. Let's get started. Women can address a lack of sexual desire in a relationship through open and honest communication with their partner. It's also important to identify potential underlying causes, such as stress or fatigue, and consider couples therapy if necessary. Sex refers to biological characteristics, such as genitals and chromosomes, used to classify people as male or female. Gender refers to social, cultural, and psychological characteristics that a society associates with male and female roles. Differences between sex and gender are important and may not align in all individuals. Aging effects. With aging, the quality of erections and the ability to achieve orgasm may change. Older men may experience a decrease in erection firmness and increased difficulty reaching orgasm. Alcohol and drug effects. Excessive alcohol consumption and certain drug use can affect sexual function in men, sometimes making it challenging to achieve orgasm. Anal muscle exercises. Some people practice exercises to strengthen anal muscles, such as Kegel exercises, to improve comfort and control during anal sex. Anorgasmia is a condition where a person has difficulty achieving orgasm. It can be caused by physical or emotional factors and is often addressed with sexual therapy. Asexuality. Not everyone has a sexual interest. It is estimated that around 10% of the population is asexual, meaning they do not feel attraction to either gender. Although it may seem unusual, it is important to respect and understand the diversity in human sexuality. The association between sex and creativity. Some studies have suggested that sexual activity can stimulate creativity and problem solving. The release of dopamine and oxytocin during sex may enhance cognition. Benefits of self-exploration. Sexual self-exploration, or masturbation, is a healthy way to learn about one's body and discover what brings pleasure. It can also help relieve stress and improve sexual function. Cervical orgasm. Some women experience a type of orgasm known as a cervical orgasm, derived from stimulation of the uterine cervix. This type of orgasm can be deeper and more expansive. The science of kissing. Kissing is not only a display of affection, but also involves a complex chemical interaction. Kisses can increase the release of hormones related to bonding and pleasure. Clitoral size. The clitoris is an erectile organ containing over 8,000 nerve endings, but only a small part is externally visible. Most of the clitoris is located inside the body and extends to the base of the vulva. Common challenges. Pain during anal sex usually indicates that something is not going well. Open communication and adaptation are essential to overcome potential challenges. Confidence. Confidence is a trait that many people find attractive. Women are often drawn to men who demonstrate self-assurance in themselves and their actions. The heart during orgasm. Orgasm can significantly accelerate your heart rate. In some cases, the heart rate can reach 180 beats per minute during an orgasm. However, note that this does not replace regular physic. Kink culture, BDSM, bondage, discipline, dominance, submission, sadism, and masochism is a sexual subculture involving consensual erotic practices and games. For many, BDSM is a way to explore fantasies and boundaries. Delayed ejaculation. Some men experience the opposite of premature ejaculation, known as delayed ejaculation, where it takes them a significantly longer time to reach orgasm during sexual activity. World Orgasm Day, December 21st, is celebrated as World Orgasm Day, a day dedicated to raising awareness about sexual pleasure and sexual health. Erectile dysfunction is not exclusive to older men. A significant number of young men may also experience occasional erection issues, usually related to stress, anxiety, or psychological factors. Diversity in sexual preferences vary widely among individuals. Some may be attracted to the same sex, opposite sex, or both, identifying as heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual, or pansexual. Dry orgasm. Some men may experience dry orgasms, meaning they feel the sensation of an orgasm without the release of semen. This can occur due to medical conditions or practices like semen retention. Sex education varies widely worldwide. Some countries have comprehensive sex education programs in schools, while in others, sex education is limited or non-existent. Classical music's effect. It has been observed that classical music, particularly Vivaldi's Autumn, can increase sexual arousal. Scientists believe this is due to the rhythm and structure of the music, which may match the rhythm of sexual activity. Hormonal effect on desire, sex hormones, such as testosterone and estrogen, play a key role in sexual desire. Changes in hormonal levels can affect libido. Effects on the brain. During a female orgasm, multiple areas of the brain are activated, including the hypothalamus, which regulates pleasure, and the amygdala, related to emotions. This may explain why orgasms are often accompanied by intense feelings of happiness and stress relief. Ejaculation. Time. The average duration of male ejaculation is about 5 seconds, but it can vary significantly from one man to another. Emotional support. Offering emotional support and being a good listener can be very attractive to many women. Studies on the clitoris. Despite the importance of the clitoris in female sexual response, there has been a lack of research on this organ compared to the penis. However, there has been an increased focus on clitoral research in recent years. Expressive eyes. Eyes are a central feature in attraction. Expressive eyes and good eye contact can be particularly attractive. Female ejaculation. Although more common in men, some women may experience a form of ejaculation during orgasm, known as female ejaculation. The ejaculated fluid is released from the urethra and is different from vaginal secretions. Common fetishes. While fetishes vary widely, some are quite common. This includes attraction to feet, sexy lingerie, or BDSM, involving domination and submission. Foot fetishism is a common sexual fetish where a person is attracted to feet. It may involve foot worship, massages, and other erotic acts. The frenulum, the strip of tissue connecting the glands to the body of the penis, is highly sensitive and can be a source of pleasure during sexual activity. Human sexuality is a fascinating and diverse field that never ceases to amaze us. Sexual curiosities unveil the wonderful complexity of the human experience in the intimate realm. As we explore and understand these facts, it is crucial to remember that each individual is unique in their sexual experience. Respecting and communicating with your partner are the keys to a satisfying and healthy sexual life. Sexual education and understanding are essential tools for fully embracing our sexuality.